Hello friends, welcome to my new video. Look at the screen. In this video we discuss this type of problem based on the random function. These type of question may be asked in many university exams, board exams and many other competitive exams like UGC, banks, Kendriya Vidyalaya exams, etc. And before watching, if you not clear about the Python modules, packages, library and especially the random module, please watch my previous video, link given in description box. If you already clear about the random module, then let's begin. Look at the screen. This is the question. If we run this code, what is the possible output from 1 to 4? 4 choices are given. What is the possible output from 1 to 4? Maybe possible output एक हो, maybe एक से ज़्यादा हो, means 1, 2, 3, 4 all हो. So that's why we have to solve it very carefully. If you not know about the random, randint, range and round function, please watch my previous video, link given in the description box. Then shift it to this video. If you already watched this, so let's begin. Here I use a random function. So what is the use of a random? As you know, it will generate any value between 0 means 0.0 हम बोल सकते हैं to less than 1.0 means 1.0 कभी भी नहीं आएगा. जो भी वैल्यू होगी वो होगी 0.0 to 1.0 means that value will store in X. And then randint. What is the randint? What is use of randint? Any random number between 1 to 3, maybe 1, maybe 2, maybe 3. Then we use a range function. As you know, range. What is range? What is use of range? If I put range 5, it means loop will run 0 to 4, not 5. It by default it begins with 0 and run up to 5 minus 1. And if you put range 1 comma 5, it means begins from 1 up to 4. Begins from 1 up to 4. This is use of range function. So here I use range 1 comma y. So what is the value of y? Y may be 1. So if y is 1, loop will never run because y minus 1. It run up to y minus. ये y minus 1 तक ही run होना है. तो अगर y 1 है, if y is 1, loop will never run. If y is 2, so it means 1 to 2. It means it run single time. Means 1 के लिए run होगा, 2 के लिए run नहीं होगा. Means एक बार run होगा. If loop will run single time, then what is our output? Our output is any value with colon. If loop will run single time, but we have two values. We have a choice of two values and suffix by colon. So we ignore this. Because we have only 4 choices and set of 2 values. Then we suppose range 1 comma 3. Range 1 comma 3. It means loop will run 2 times. Means 1 I की वैल्यू क्या होगी? 1 होगी. फिर I की वैल्यू क्या होगी? 2 होगी. तो यहाँ हमारा प्रिंट हो रहा है I. Here I print I. It means अगर 1 plus round of x. अब x is maybe 0.0 to less than 1.0. Maybe अगर x हुआ हम suppose करते हैं, we have suppose x is 4.0. It means round क्या करेगा? Round it convert it into 0. And if x is 0.55 suppose, then round क्या करेगा? It will convert it into 1. Maybe 1 may be 0. So 1 plus 0 means 1. It means first possible output ये हो सकती है. Okay, ये हो सकती है. It means 1 +1 भी हो सकता है, इट मीन 2 भी हो सकता है, राइट। 1 + 0 1 + 1, ओके। ये अभी फर्स्ट सेट आएगा, दिस इज अ फर्स्ट सेट, बिकॉज अभी हम सपोज करेंगे रेंज 1, आई हमने सपोज किया 1, दिस इज अवर आई एंड दिस इज अवर एक्स। आई सबसे पहले 1, एक्स 0 भी हो सकता है, एक्स 1 भी हो सकता है, तो इट मीन्स 1 भी आ सकता है, इट मीन्स 2 भी आ सकता है, 3 नहीं आ सकता, तो हम इस ऑप्शन को रिजेक्ट कर देते हैं। बट अभी हम इसको लूप को नेक्स्ट टाइम भी चलाएंगे, बिकॉज लूप विल रन नेक्स्ट टाइम बिकॉज i इज इक्वल टू 2। अभी 1 के लिए चला, अभी i क्या होगा 2, x अगेन मे बी 0 एंड x मे बी 1, तो 2 + 0 मीन्स सेकेंड वैल्यू 2 हो सकती है, 3 भी हो सकती है, तो सेकेंड वैल्यू 2 भी हो सकती है, सेकेंड वैल्यू 3 भी हो सकती है, लेकिन सेकेंड वैल्यू 1 नहीं हो सकती। अगेन सेकेंड वैल्यू 1 नहीं हो सकती बिकॉज i ने तो 2 हो जाना है, ठीक है, सेकेंड वैल्यू 1 नहीं हो सकती, तो हम इस ऑप्शन को भी रिजेक्ट करते हैं। सो व्हाट इज अवर आंसर? 1 and 2 is the possible output. 1 and 2 is the possible output. Hope you understand. Please watch next question. So friends, this is a question for you. Pause कीजिए स्क्रीन को, you have pause the screen and answer this question in comment box. I repeat, answer this question in comment box. Here I use a randrange function. If you don't know about the randrange function, please watch my previous video, link given in description box. If you already know, then please try to solve it and answer in comment box. I am waiting for your comments. So friends, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.